HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, I'm working on the chopper, and y'all haven't seen it essentially since the show, since some of that video. So it's still running and riding good, but had a bolt get gone. Actually it was two originally. It was this one, and then the bottom one down here. Well, this one, both of them were stripped out. That one I was able to put a longer bolt in and catch some threads, so it's tight. The other one is just gone, so I'm gonna have to fix that and figure out what to do about that. So I haven't done much riding on it since then, but still looks really good. One thing I did get in though was this little box from Prism Supply, and this is their new Bristol Breather for the S&S. This is the polished one. And they look pretty dang cool. There's a little mesh filter in here. And this thing really has too big of jets on it to be what it is for this carburetor. And it is an S&S, a little shorty carb. But you can see what's been done to the filter here. There's no filter element in there. So that actually has a better filter, being the screen with a skinnier thing than this does. But pop this off of there. I ended up having to cut it open just to get enough airflow because the jets are so big. It runs fantastic with this thing completely gone. Even this gives it some restriction, which is pretty insane. But this thing really wants to breathe. But you see that? I mean, it's just somebody had taken the filter element out of it and just left the screen. So that'll actually be a better filter. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pull these bolts out and pop this on there. It'll be nice and skinny too, so I have more room for my leg. A lot of good benefits here. And it does come with the bolts. This is all made in the US, made in North Carolina with Prism, and pretty nice stuff. So you can get these on our website. So from HiRevzGarage.com, put a link in the description and a link popping down. So you've got that. You can use new 10 as your discount, get 10% off of it. And check it out, so it'll be pretty cool. So I'm gonna get this switched on there. All right guys, there it is. It looks fantastic on there. Looks really neat, just having that little screen sticking out there. And get a ton more leg room here, so your legs don't have to go around that air cleaner. It's one thing bad about having a skinny frame bike like this and a huge motor on there. It takes up a lot of space. You try to get your legs on there, but that looks pretty fantastic. So, pretty curious to see how it's gonna do. It should be a lot better because this bike runs fantastic with no air cleaner at all. You start putting an air cleaner on it, it starts acting kind of goofy. So that should be the perfect thing right there. So, because I kind of wanted a velocity stack with a screen, but that would stick out even further. So this is the perfect thing to fit there. So, and it looks pretty cool, kind of old school looking. Sweet. All right, guys, make sure you check out the website. We've added thousands and thousands of awesome motorcycle parts. We've got apparel on there. We've got extended front forks, fenders, frames, anything you can think of. Check it out.